Hello, good morning. Or good afternoon. So depends on what time you watch this video. So today we're going to solve, no, uh, given a linear function, and we're going to find its slope and zero of this linear function. I will showing you the proper way, but I have my shortcuts here that I will be providing later. No, and okay, let's try. Let's try to solve this. Let's try number 1. F of x is equals to 2x plus 6. So we have number 1. F of x is equals to 2x plus 6. Okay, ayan. So how do we find the slope here? Remember, the slope is always besides the x. So that is our slope. Yan, no? So I will be marking the orange for the slope. Yan. So our slope here, or our m, no, which indicate our slope, this is 2. Now what about our 0? Okay. What makes, what value does this function, no, turns to 0? Yan. Paano yan siya solve? So solution, okay, the solution is this. So convert f of x to 0. Okay, let's repeat. Okay, let f of x turns to 0. So dapat si f of x daw is maging 0. Ayan. So paano natin siya matuturn to 0? You just convert it to 0. So now, copy the linear equation. Yan. Okay, if you already mastered this part, do not do this now. Directly do the um substitution later, no? The conversion. Yan. So do you substitute f of x2 or you convert f of x to 0? And then 2x plus 6. Okay, there are two ways to solve this one. Okay, I will be giving two ways to solve this one. First is the improper way to solving. This method is uses yung transpose. And the other one uses the property, the exact property. Okay, let's start. Yan. So first, transpose natin. 'Di ba sa transpose, what we did is first itong positive 6. Okay, itong positive 6 na term ilipat natin doon sa side niyan. So that will become okay, positive will become the will become negative 6 equals 2x, and then uh, let's solve for x here. Dapat si x lang yung may 1. So we divide it by 2 because we want to remove the 2 on the x part. We also do on the right side. We shall divide it by 2. So 2 divide 2, that is 1. So 1x. But remember, we do not put 1x anymore. We just put x. Alright? Then negative 6 divide 2, that is negative 3. So I don't want to discuss why it become negative 3 because we are already done with this one, no? When you are in grade 7 and also when you are in grade 8. The reason, no? It's because they are unlike sign and multiplication and division. The rule in multiplication and division is that uh, when uh, the signs are unlike sign, well, there is unlike signs or there are unlike signs, no? What will happen is always the answer is, or the answer always is negative, no, negative or negative value. Yan. Just like this. Okay? Yan. Just like this one, we get negative 3. Okay. What is the proper way? The proper way is this one. We use a property. This is what we call addition property. Okay? Inverse, we do the inverse, no? Inverse of the positive 6. What is the inverse of positive 6? Ano yung opposite or kabaliktaran ng positive 6. That is negative 6. Right? If what we do here, no, kung anong ginawa natin dito, dapat ganun din gawin natin dito doon sa may 0. We provide negative 6, we also provide negative 6 there. Then the symbol. Then we do the subtraction. Positive 6 minus negative 6, that is, or positive 6 minus 6. So they are unlike sign, automatically mag-0 na yan sila. So hindi na natin siya ilalagay, 0 na lang yan siya. Okay? Now bring down 2x. And then 0 minus 6, that is negative 6. Bring down the equal sign. Then, now, negative 6 is equals to 2x. Ito yung naiwan sa atin. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by 1/2. Bakit 1/2? Because the 2 here, yan yung gusto nating mawala. And by using 1/2, we could get rid of the 2 here. So, what we did on the right side is we also do it on the left side, no? We multiply 1/2. So, it's become negative 6 over 2. It's equals to 2x over 2. Just like this one. And the answer is the same. We have negative 3 is equals to x. Yeah, we are just the same. No, but this is the proper one. This is the left side is the improper one. So the the 0 here is negative. Okay. It should be dapat x equals negative 3. Yan. So bakit siya magiging negative 3? Let's try to solve. Checking. Okay, f of x. Okay, di ba ang sabi, zeros of a linear function where any value of x, no, will make the function, no, or a value of x will make the function equal to 0. F of x is our function. So 2x plus, 2x plus 6. Ayan. So, watch carefully. Okay, this is what happens. What, ano yun? Ayun. Let x is equals to negative 3 by checking. So we have 2 times negative 3 plus 6. Don't forget the f of x, sorry. And then f of x is equals to 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6, plus 6. Negative 6 plus 6, that is f of x equals to 0. So this means negative 3 is the value that will make our function f of x is equals to 2x plus 6 as 0. So this is our answer. Okay. Yan. Okay, let's proceed to another example. Okay, let's proceed to another example. Next is y, number 2, y is equals to negative 3x plus 12. Okay, y is equals to, number 2 pala, sorry. Y is equals to negative 3x plus 12. Ayan. So, how do we solve our slope and our 0 here? Sir, bakit siya naging y? Remember that also our f of x is the same as y. No, they are just the same. No, this is the linear equation. This is the linear function. Linear equation pag linear equation pag y, linear function naman kapag f of x. But they are just the same. Okay? Remember, they are just the same. No? They are just equal. But the term that we're going to use, no, ngayon is f of x siya. Pero we can also use y naman. Because the foundation of the linear function is the linear equation. No, unang matuturo si linear equation before si linear function. And I will not erase this one for you to read later. Now, what is our slope here? Just like just like old one, no? The slope is always besides the x, which is negative 3. That is negative 3. So that is our slope. Easy. Now to solve our 0, okay, we are going to let our f of x equals to 0. Yan. This time, I will be using the additive inverse. No, additive inverse pala ang tawag doon. I will not going to use the transpose because medyo ano siya, tawag dito, not proper. We do it properly, okay? Now, so the f of x is equals to negative, okay, I forgot. We convert, di ba, f of x equals to 0. But remember that y is equals to f of x. So meaning, our y is equals to 0. Kasi nga, di ba, equal sila. So f of x is 0, dapat si y din natin is also 0. Since y is equals to f of x, they are just the same lang, di ba? So, instead of letting f of x 0, no, we let y is equals to 0. So, y is equals to negative 3x plus 12. Okay? Remember that our um, uh, y is 0. So, 0 na siya. Negative 3x plus 12. Yan. So, dito, first thing that we do is to remove the 12. Okay, what is the inverse of 12? Ano yung kabaliktaran ng positive 12? Yes, that is negative 12. What we did on the right side, we also do it on the left side para balance. And now, plus 12 minus 12 or negative 12, that is 0. Bring down negative 3x. Wala nang symbol yan na kasi 0 yan. 0 minus 12, that is negative 12. Right? Now, negative 12 is equals to negative 3x. The first thing we do is to remove the negative 3 so that x will remain on the right side. How will we do that? We multiply not 1/3 but we include the negative. So there's a proper way for that one, but it will make our solution lengthy, no? Now we could do it naman with the tawag nito. Could do it naman with the negative kasi we have this an inverse of a number is just 1 over a. If it is negative, then it is 1 over negative a. So that's the idea there. So 1 minus 3 and also 1 minus 3, 1/3 pala, sorry. 1 negative 3, 1/3, which is yung 3 is negative, which give us negative 3x. I just multiply it, ha. Oh, wow. Sorry. I just multiply it. Negative 3x times 1/3. So the numerator, okay, this whole number will multiply to the numerator 1. And then we have negative 12 over negative 3. And then what happened is, since this is negative 2 and negative 3, it will become 1x. Again, we do not write 1x, but we write x. Those who write 1x is wrong. So, let's make this as a habit na if 1 na lang siya, we do not write it besides the x because it's considered as redundant. No? So, x is the proper way. Then this one, negative 12 divide negative 3. It will give us 4. Bakit 4? Because they are the same sign, and every the same sign in division and multiplication will give us the positive answer. So that's it. Yan. So our slope here is 3, and our 0 is x is equals to 4. By the way, we could arrange this one to, we could convert this one to, okay, interchange it. Yan. It's still the same. 4 equals x or x equals 4, they are the same. Now, checking, let's check, no? If our answer is correct. If 4, x equals 4, really makes our function equal to 0. So y is equals to, kasi y, negative 3 times 4 plus 12. We have negative 3 times 4, that is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 12, that is y is equals to 0. So this is now our answer. Yeah, that is our answer now. Okay? Yan. Okay, what else? Let's try. Okay, let's try. Okay, I want you to try number 3. Okay, madali lang naman yan si number 3. Okay, do number 3. I will be sending the answer later as a screenshot on this one. Let's proceed with number 4 and number 5. So that this video will only have 20 minutes for 20 minutes for this video only. Para hindi siya mag-ano doon kay YouTube kasi YouTube yung gagamitin ko. Ayan. So yan, number 4 and number 5. Let's ipagsabay ko na niya, combine. Number 4. Oh, why is this orange? Okay, number 4 is, it's number 4. 4x and number 5 is 5. Wait. Okay, number 4 is y is equals to 4x, and number 5 is f of x is equals to 5. This is very basic. Madali lang talaga to. Here, our slope is, okay, our slope here is 4. Since we cannot compute for the value, we cannot see here d, diba, may plus either 3, either 2, diba, may plus ganyan pa yan dyan. Pero dito, wala man. 4x lang siya. Wala yung y-intercept or yung b. So, ibig sabihin, our 0 here is basically 0. Our value of x here is 0. Or the value that will make this function here is 0. If you plug 0 to 4x, doon sa x, 4 times 0, the answer will give us, basically, the answer will give us, 0. So, that makes our function 0. Ayan. So, I hope na kuha natin siya. Okay? So, ayan. So, I hope nakuha natin yan siya. Okay. Next. Next natin to try is number 5. What is our slope here? Do we find an x here? No. So, ibig sabihin, seeing b lang ito, this is y-intercept or b. Right? Now, what makes this function 0? Okay. The answer is no 0. Ganyan yung answer. Or directly answer no 0.